What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to exchange the XEmpire coin. For that the process is very simple and easy. So right now, as you guys have know that the XEmpire mining phase has been end, and right now the airdrop cooling phase is going on. So you guys can see that in the when you go to the airdrop section, the airdrop chill phase is happening right now. This is a competition between players for an additional airdrop. So what you guys can do is actually play for like additional airdrop right now, and once you get the airdrop, and after that you will be able to simply withdraw it to your uh, exchange. For that, all you have to do is to connect your wallet with the XEmpire and make sure that you have done a tone transaction. So once you have done all of these steps, you will be able to withdraw your XEmpire coin. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.